I just wanted to show you guys what a bit of Canadian weather looks like. Just finished shoveling the driveway. As you can see, snow's piled up as high as the car on this side, and then on the sides of the driveway it's pretty big. Didn't take my car out since before the storm, and it's pretty well buried underneath there. So anyway, that's what we're going through up here in Canada. Fortunately, no problems yet. Just a lot of powder, a lot of opportunities for skiing and snowmobiling and the like.